In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Facebook customer service. We'll do this using Facebook's built-in reporting tools, which send your issue directly to their support team with the right details to investigate. Start by opening Facebook and signing in. You can use the desktop website or the mobile app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so your report uploads without issues. Next, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This opens a quick menu with account and support options. From that menu, choose help and support. This is where Facebook centralizes help articles, support tools, and access to reporting. Then select report a problem. This is the official way to contact Facebook about glitches, policy issues, account troubles, or anything that isn't working as expected. When prompted, select include to attach logs and diagnostics with your report. These are technical details about how the app is running on your device, like error codes and performance data. They don't include your private messages, and they're extremely helpful for speeding up troubleshooting. If you prefer not to include them, you can proceed without, but your issue may be harder to diagnose. You may see a prompt asking you to allow Facebook to access your tab or screen. This permission lets Facebook capture a screenshot of the page where the problem is happening. Grant access only to the tab showing the issue, and take a second to close any unrelated windows or hide personal information before continuing. Now write out the details of your report, be clear and specific, describe what you were trying to do, what actually happened, and any error messages you saw. Include the steps that consistently reproduce the problem, and note the device and browser or app version if you know them. You'll also be asked to select the area of Facebook the issue relates to, like newsfeed, pages, ads, or login. Choosing the correct area helps route your report to the right team. If you have them, add a screenshot or a short video. Visual evidence makes it much easier for support to understand the issue quickly. Crop or blur any personal or sensitive information before uploading. When everything looks good, click Submit Report. You'll see a confirmation that your report was sent. Facebook may follow up with additional questions, or you might receive updates in your support inbox or the email associated with your account. Keep an eye out for replies, and remember to avoid sharing passwords or sensitive data in any correspondence. That's the process. By using the help and support menu and submitting a clear report with relevant diagnostics and visuals, you give Facebook the best chance to resolve your issue efficiently.